They say Antarctica is the most silent place on Earth. No cities, no animals, no witnesses, just endless ice. And an ocean so deep, sunlight has never touched the bottom. In 2023, a research vessel drifted above those frozen waters, and something down there noticed them. The ship was called the Arctic Horizon. 6 scientists, one captain. A routine mission to study unusual seismic activity beneath the Antarctic ice shelf. Dr. Elias Carter led the marine research team. A calm man, logical, skeptical. He believed every mystery had a scientific explanation. He was wrong. On the third night at sea, the sonar detected movement. At first, it appeared as a shadow, 900 meters below the ship. Large, too large. Bigger than any known whale. The crew assumed it was shifting ice. But ice doesn't change direction. And it doesn't circle a vessel for 6 continuous hours. Whatever it was following them. At 2:17 in the morning, the ship's power flickered. Engineer Lucas volunteered to inspect the generator room. Security footage shows him walking calmly down the corridor. The lights cut out for 11 seconds. When power returned, the hallway was empty. Lucas was gone. No sound, no struggle, no blood. But something remained: wet footprints, leading away from the engine room. The shape was wrong. Too long, too narrow. And whatever made them had walked upright. The captain ordered a full sonar sweep. The screen, glitched, static, filled the monitors. Then the image stabilized. The object had risen, now 600 meters below, and ascending, too fast. Far too fast for something that size. Moments later, the ship shook violently. A heavy impact struck the hull. Then another, and another. Metal groaned under pressure. The ocean around them was unnaturally calm. No waves, no wind. As if the water itself had gone still, listening. Just before sunrise, a thunderous crack split the air. A nearby ice shelf fractured open from the dark water beneath. Something moved, not fully visible, only a shifting mass under the surface. Smooth, massive, ancient. Dr. Carter stared at the readings. His voice trembled for the first time. That's not an animal. The temperature inside the vessel began dropping rapidly. Ice formed along the interior walls, and then they heard it. A sound rising from beneath the hull. Not a roar, not a whale call. Something deeper, layered, distorted, almost like a human voice, trying to imitate laughter. The final transmission from the Arctic Horizon was recovered days later. Static, heavy breathing, water sloshing violently. Dr. Carter's voice whispering, "It's not attacking us, studying us," suddenly screaming. Metal tearing apart, water flooding corridors, and beneath it all, that same distorted sound. Closer now. The transmission ends abruptly. 3 weeks later, the ship was discovered, frozen into drifting ice. Abandoned, no bodies were ever found. The hull was scarred with massive vertical scratches, as if something enormous had tried to climb aboard. To this day, sonar satellites monitoring Antarctica's southern ocean still detect movement, deep below the ice, slow, circling, waiting. If you ever find yourself standing near frozen water, and you hear something moving beneath the surface, don't look down, because in Antarctica, the ocean doesn't just hide monsters. Sometimes it learns.